So I've been playing with my new Samsung Galaxy S7 Lite, something like that. And I'm going to be putting it in my dash as my radio. And it's going to be a little bit big, as you can see, but it ain't going to be horribly big. So what we're going to do, since this thing clicks into the OtterBox case so well, we're going to mount the OtterBox frame in here like so, in the plastic. We're going to cut all this out and actually put it in it. So that's going to be fun. Alright, so we have our thing glued in there temporarily. We'll get our JB plastic bonder in, and that's in there pretty good. I made it flush here and allowed these to stick out so that they can click the tablet in. So the tablet will sit forward of the mount, but ever so slightly, just barely. But it's coming along. What's up, Hades? Say hi. Alright guys, so we are currently waiting for Posty to drop off our JB Weld plastic bonder. I didn't want beige, so I have to order it off eBay to get it in black. But we're just going to pour it on the sides. We've taped it up on the front side so that it doesn't leak through, and that we can build a barrier and just kind of glue it all in all the way around. So we'll wait for Posty to drop it off, and we'll get all this glued in, and then we'll continue on.
I want to be very cautious and not weld this entire thing together, just in case there's going to be an aspect of difficult to change. So instead, I simply took the time.
Alrighty guys, here's our plastic bonder. So we're just going to go ahead and fill in our areas and see how she goes. It's starting to take shape, guys. Things are getting molded in pretty good. I like how it's turning out. Now I'm going to be filling it in more with more epoxy, and eventually we will get to a point where we can sand it and paint it. And here's our panel, guys. Now I can't say that I'm very happy with the paint job. I had a very bad reaction with the paint that I used, so I'm probably going to sand it down and probably redo the paint. But aside from that, it's pretty much done and it's ready to go. Let's show you what it looks like. You just click it in there. And there we go. I'll get this sanded down looking a little bit better, and I'll give you guys a short update on it. But as far as the functionality of it, it's ready to roll. I just wanted to show you guys one more time the program that I'm using. It's called Car Launcher, and it's pretty cool.